means it seems likely, reasonable, or typical. This idiom is either followed by a that clause or by no other part of grammar. It figures that the children were willing to help with their hard work only if they received a reward for doing so. When I told Ivan that his secretary was unhappy about not getting a raise, he said that it figured. To fill someone in, to fill someone in, to inform, to give background information to, also to clue in. This idiom is often followed by the preposition on and a noun phrase containing the pertinent information. Could you fill me in what is going on to be discussed at tomorrow's meeting? Not having been to the convention, my associate asked me to clue him in on the proceedings. To make someone take. To make someone take. To motivate to behave or act in a certain way. This idiom is used within a what clause.